at Sizzling Gals, Muscle Cars, and Hot Rods coming up. Woo-wee! Sweet looking honey here in a 1928 Ford Model A 2-door sedan street rod. Seductive babe here in a 1938 Chevy Coupe street rod. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support. Tantalizing girl here in a 2008 Ford Mustang GT Custom. Wowzer! Sweet looking dam here on a 2018 Pontiac Trans Am, 1,000 horsepower. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.